This video presents you one of the new product launched by Pragmatic Techsoft Private Limited for the repair industry. An altogether new module is developed in the OpenERP, encompassing many of the important features which would ease the day-to-day operations of the repair vendors. This product would support almost all the business processes followed in the repair industry, and above all, the main important feature of this product is it's open to customization. It's flexible enough to be customized according to the specific need of the repair vendors. This video would give an overview of the functionalities present in this product. As you can see, there is a separate module for every business process of the company, like the sales, purchase, warehouse, manufacturing, project, accounting, HR, administration. And the good thing is that these all modules are integrated together in a single product. Now consider a case where a company has its different repair centers which are geographically dispersed. So that can be easily handled through a separate multi-company module, like as you can see in the company structure. This is the Michel Repair Center, this is your parent company, and these are repair centers at different locations like Repair Center Pune, Repair Center Bangalore, Repair Center Delhi, Repair Center Mumbai. So like this you can manage all your repair centers present across different geographic locations. And for each of these repair centers you can create a separate chart of account. Like for Michel Repair Center there would be a different chart of account, for Pune it would be a different chart of account, Mumbai different, Delhi and Repair Center Bangalore. So like this, a chart of account for each of the repair center could be created. This chart of account reflects the financial activities going on at each of the repair centers. So that's the advantage of this multi-company feature. Now coming to the warehouse module, this module would help you to manage all your repair parts, the products and services which are offered by your company. Like you can create different categories: repair parts, vehicle maintenance, emission control, clutches, steering products, brakes, ignition switches, filters, spark plugs. Like this you can categorize all your products and services. Like for the repair and maintenance service there would be repair service, replacement service, maintenance service. As you can see, this is the product form where you have a category field in which you have to select just the category required, like the steering products, and click on search. So the products of type steering would get displayed along with their stock levels, real stock and the virtual stock, as well as the pricing. Similarly, we want to view like under vehicle maintenance category what all products are there in your warehouse. So these are the products present under vehicle maintenance category: anti-corrosion compound, carburetor, coolant, carbon choke cleaner, and these are its stock level in the warehouse. And this is the product form where you can enter the specifications related to each of the product, like the name of product, product type, the pricing, cost price, sale price, its volume, weight, packaging. So all the details of the product could be entered in the product form, and a history of all the products could be accomplished. Now as you can see, these are the locations of the warehouse, and if you want to view location wise inventory report, like at a particular location what's the stock level of the products, so just select the location and click on this location inventory overview. So this report would get displayed in the PDF form, which includes the product details and its stock level at the selected location. This purchase module would help you achieve all the purchase activities, like the purchase of spare parts from the suppliers. These are the list of purchase orders created in your system. I show you the form where you can fill up the details like the purchase order number, the order date, the company Mitchell Repair Center, the supplier from whom the spare parts are purchased, the supplier name, his address. The purchase order line includes the details of the products or spare parts which are acquired from this supplier. These are its quantity and value. Similarly, the sales module would help you achieve all the sales activities and handle the customer orders. So this is the sale order form, which includes the details of the customer name, his contact address, shipping address, invoice address. The sale order line shows the details of the products or services ordered by this customer. Like he has ordered for repair service of the car. There is a one checkbox, create new project in the sale order form. That is, if the customer has ordered for the car repair service, on the confirmation of this sale order, a new project for this car repair service would get created in the system. So if you go into the project module, a project for the car repair service is created. Now this car repair service project could be divided into various tasks and subtasks according to the work required for repairing the car. So these are the tasks created for the car repair service, like the painting needs to be done. For inspection there would be a separate task, the frame repair, body repair of the car. This is the task form, which includes the details of the task, like the products which are consumed for performing the body repair of the car, the OS brakes, carb choke cleaner, professional clutch kits, professional power steering houses. So these all products in this quantity are consumed while performing the body repair of the car. And the task work shows the man hours, that is workers who have devoted their time for making the body repair of the car. So in this way all the products and the work hours could be tracked in each of the project and the task. Now if you go into the analytic chart of account present in the accounting module, you will get to see, like, for each of the car repair task, body repair, frame repair, inspection, painting, for each of these tasks what all expenses and revenues are occurred get displayed in this analytic chart of account. Now there are very number of user-friendly reports present in the project module. Like as you can see, this is the project task consume product analysis report, which includes the details of the project task, the product consumed in a particular task, the quantity of products, like the project is car repair service, and these are its various tasks: the body repair, frame repair, inspection, painting. And in each of these tasks, which products are consumed, that is, in the body repair, carb and choke cleaner is consumed of quantity 8, the OS brakes are consumed quantity 1, the professional clutch kits is consumed quantity 1, power steering houses are consumed in the quantity 1. So in this way this report gives you a detailed analysis of the products quantity utilized in performing the project and the task. Similarly, we have a project task consumed time analysis report. This report shows the man hours used in the car repair service over each of this process. In the body repair, frame repair, these number of man hours are consumed. So overall, these are the critical functionalities of this OpenERP repair module developed for the repair industry. Thanks.